Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create the glowing social media icon hover effect using HTML and CSS. Look at the final demo, in which we are going to create the social media icons with relative text below them. And when we hover over the icons and text, we can see the glowing social media icon effect. And when we resize the browser window below the 620 pixels, we can see the horizontal icons turning into the vertical icons. For this demo, I'm going to use the font awesome icons. And also go through the Dropbox link below this video, where you can download the project folder of this demo. Let's get started with the HTML structure. First, create the wrapper development with the unordered list. And within the unordered list create the 5 list items. Now let's include the font awesome icons. First, open the Font Awesome website, and open the Get Started link in New tab. And include the CDN link in the head section of the HTML structure, so that we can access the font awesome icons. Next, open the icons link. Search the icons. For this demo, I'm going to use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google+, and WhatsApp icons. Just see how I'm going to include them in our HTML structure. I'll drop the CDN and Font Awesome links below this video. Check it out. Now add the unique class to the list items, so that later we can target them individually and set the background color, and box shadow effect to them. Let's open the HTML structure in the browser. Now let's get started with CSS, by including its link in the head section of the HTML document. For this demo, I'm going to use the Roboto Google font family. First, search the Google Fonts keyword in the search engine, and then open the first link in the New tab. And look for the Roboto fonts. Then click on the Add button. Then include the CSS import link to our style sheet. Now start writing the CSS by setting the margin and padding values of all default HTML elements to 0. Now add the Roboto font family to the body, and here sans serif is the secondary font family. In the case, if browsers do not support the sans serif. And add the background color and color to the body. Now place the wrapper development in the center of the browser, by setting its position value to the absolute, which is relative to the body. And set its top and left values to 50%, and we can clearly see that the wrapper development is not placed exactly in the center due to negative margins. To remove a negative margin, we can use the translate method of the transform property. Remove the bullets. Style the list items by setting 65 pixels of the width, height, and float them to left. Set the margin, 5 pixels of the solid border. %, of the border radius and position value to the relative, so that we can place its child elements accordingly. And use transform property for the smooth effect. Change the color and place the icons horizontally and vertically in the center. Here the icons are the child elements of the list items. And increase the size of the icons. Now by targeting the unique classes of the list items, let's set the hover glowing social media hover effect. First, target the Facebook class, and add the 5 pixels solid border with Facebook color. For social media colors, search for the social media color in search engine, go to any site and copy and paste the related social colors. Now when we hover over the list item which has Facebook class, its border turns into the Facebook color. And by using the box shadow property, set the glowing effect to the border. Next target the icon's unique classes, and set color and text shadow effect. Now just see how I'm going to include the effects for remaining icons. In box shadow and text shadow properties, the first value is for the x-axis, the second value is for y-axis and the third value is for blur. And even we can use fourth value, which is used for the spread. In this demo, I'm not using that. Let's add the social media text related to the icons below it. Here I'm going to use the before pseudo element, and I'll pass the text through the content property. And place it properly below the icons using the bottom and left properties. And style it by increasing the font size, turning the text to bold and set the color. Use the transition property for a smooth effect. Now see how I'm going to do for remaining list items. Here the code is a bit repetitive and occupying more space. Let's make it simple by placing the all comment code to the list items. Now include the before pseudo element with the icon's hover, because here, the text requires the same effect as the icons. Set the 550 pixels of the width to the wrapper, which I forgot to do in the beginning. Now write the code for below 620 pixels, by setting the wrapper width to 150 pixels, so that the horizontal icons turn into vertical. Finally, increase the gap bottom icons. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the video, so don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and ask me anything in the comments section. See you in another video.